Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore what loop form is and how it relates to the music we make. At its core, loop song form revolves around repeating a short section of music, known as a loop. This loop typically includes elements like a melody, chord progression, and a rhythmic pattern. Loop song form is loved for its simplicity and versatility. It allows producers to create rich, textured soundscapes using minimal elements. Plus, it's a great way to experiment with different musical ideas and effects. Creating a compelling loop song form requires balance. The key is to introduce variations like changing dynamics, adding new sounds, or altering the rhythm to keep the listener engaged. Remember, simplicity is your friend, but don't be afraid to experiment. Loop song form is a powerful tool in music production, offering endless possibilities within a simple structure. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.